Okay, so we're going to take a look at the past tense in French. Le passé composé. The past tense in French is formed with two things. First thing that you have is avoir or être in the present tense. It's an auxiliary verb or a helping verb. Just be careful. We need to remember that in French, in the present tense, we don't have helping verbs. It's already built into the present tense. So, avoir or être is used in the passé composé. And then, in addition to avoir or être in the present tense, I have to add what's called the past participle or le participe passé. How do I form the past participle? With regular verbs, which is all we're looking at right now. We'll do another video presentation where we look at irregular. But for regular verbs, if it's an ER verb, I drop ER and I add E accent aigu. So, take the verb parler, I get rid of my ER, and it becomes parler. No, there's no difference between the infinitive form and the past participle. This is one of these places where you want to definitely hear the long A sound. With an IR verb, I drop IR and I add I. So the verb finir becomes fini. And with RE verbs, I drop RE and I add U. So vendre becomes vendu. So let's take a look at a few sentences. We're going to take them from present tense to the passé composé. Je mange une pizza. I'm eating a pizza. J'ai mangé une pizza. I ate a pizza. Je finis mes devoirs. I finish my homework, or I'm finishing my homework, becomes j'ai fini mes devoirs. Je vends mon vélo. I'm selling my bike, becomes j'ai vendu mon vélo. If you notice, all of these were formed with avoir. You don't see être. Être has special uses. We use être in the passé composé with a group of verbs called the Dr. and Mrs. Vandertramp verbs and with reflexive verbs, both of which you're seeing this year in French 2 and a little bit in French 1. So, this wraps up our passé composé. Remember, passé composé, two things necessary. First, the present tense of avoir, which agrees with your subject pronoun, and the past participle. Regular ER verbs, I drop my ER at the end of the infinitive and I replace it with E accent aigu. IR verb, I drop my IR, add the I. RE verbs, drop the RE, add U. And this is how I get my past participle. Keep practicing. You'll get better.